Welcome. In front of me is a REALME P3 Lite, and today I will show you how you can boot this device into recovery mode. So, to get started, you will want to turn off your phone by pressing the power button and volume up at the same time, and from the boot options, swipe down to turn it off. I'll give it a second, it does need a moment to actually turn off. Once it does so, which will be indicated by the vibration, hold power button and volume down at the same time. Now when you see the logo, let go of the power button, keep holding volume down. Next, you can see we have Android with no command. So to get past this, or actually there's not no command, it's in Spanish for some reason, but usually it would say no command. So to get past this page, hold the power button, and while holding it, press volume up once. And this moves us to the recovery mode. In here, you will need to use the volume buttons to navigate up or down, and the power button will be used to confirm whatever is selected. Now I can see that on your end, this probably looks like there's just a single option in here, and that's because this mode is for some reason super dim, and the only options that aren't dim are the ones that are selected. So I'm going to start scrolling down, but just know, in reality, there are other options visible, barely. But there are, so I'm gonna start going down there. So first one, reboot system now. This will take us back to Android, so it's just a way of leaving this mode. Reboot to bootloader, which presumably will take us to fast boot mode, just like the option below that. Next we have apply updates from ADB or SD card, wipe data, wipe cache partition, mount system, view logs, run tests, and power off. And that will now take us back to the first page, or first option. So anyway, I'm gonna select the first option, confirm it with the power button, and like I mentioned, this will now just bring me back to Android, and it's just a way of leaving the recovery mode. And there we go. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.